Welcome to your weekly UAS news update. This week we have three stories. The first one is a drone light show record. The second one is more information on those DJI Leaks we talked about last week. And then lastly, we have a big upcoming event. Let's get to it. The first story this week is a world record drone show in Dallas. Sky Elements Drones presented a 4th of July drone show with 1,002 drones. That's right, that's a whole lot. The Sky Element also said that they broke a company record this weekend, producing over 40 shows in total and using more than 10,000 drones. So we've seen an increase in the number of drone shows in the last few years, and this goes to show that they're getting a lot of popularity across the country. So let us know if you were either in Dallas or if you saw any other drone shows across the country and what you think about them. All right, your second story this week is one that's getting a little bit old, maybe a little bit stale. We've seen some more DJI Air 3 leaks. This is kind of in line with all the other DJI release we've seen in the past, where the closer we get to the release date and the more information is out, we're basically making the release kind of just boring, kind of in the sense, because we get all the information before it happens. So as you can see from all these images, we have the dual camera setup that kind of follows what we saw in the Mavic 3. The question is at this stage that we haven't seen an answer yet is whether or not this is going to be a 3x camera on the telephoto or if it's going to be a 7x camera. Personally, I hope it's a 3x camera because, well, from our testing of the Mavic 3 Pro, we've been using the 3x a lot more than the 7x because I think it's just that good transition between the two. So we also see the new transmitter, which looks like the DJI RC, but with slightly different antennas. And then based on the available images, we see that the batteries are for the Air 3 are going to slide in from the back. So we'll keep you updated if there's anything more that comes up, but hopefully this thing comes out pretty soon and then we can, well, play with it. All right, finally, we have a big event coming up. This is EAA AirVenture, also known as Oshkosh. This will be at the end of the month. And we're going to be attending. We'll be inside of the main entrance, right on the right side as you come in at booth 90, 91, 96, and 97. We have 4 booths put together. You can't miss it. It's this gigantic pink tent. We'll have the entire team over there. So make sure you come and check out the booth. If you're into drones or if you're into airplane, it doesn't really matter. It's things that fly, that are up in the air, and it's really exciting. So if you live nearby, let us know. We have actually quite a few passes that maybe we can give away. So if you're looking to just come and get some giveaways, we have some in the tent. We'll have a simulator. We'll have our airplane, the entire team, like I said before. We'll also have VR goggles that we can use in order to pre-flight an aircraft. This is something I'm really excited about. Well, you'll see if you're there. If not, we'll do some short videos. So make sure that you check out the airplane Q&A that we're going to have at the on Monday of this week. We're going to do these every month. And then that's it. We'll see you next week.